it's time to start bringing the specific answers that I want to give feedback on onto my feedback tab. Now I'm going to start with a quick example here when it comes to score. All I want to see right now is just the student's score. And my one option would be to go find Abby Noyes over on this spreadsheet. Where is she? There she is. And then copy her score and paste it over into my feedback manually. I could do that, but for 120 plus students, that's going to take forever. And that's just to get one question over. So instead, I'm going to use a formula called VLOOKUP. And here's how it works. You start by typing VLOOKUP. And it's going to ask you for 4 arguments in this formula. The first is, what do you want me to look up? So I'm telling the computer, find this email, this value in A2. The next argument is where it should look for it and where else it should look once it finds it. So let's go back to our tab with all of our student answers. I want it to look in column B because that's where it's going to find the emails. And then I want it to return values that might be all the way over here to column U. Next, it's going to ask for the third argument, which is, when I find that email, what do you want me to return? So when it finds the email here in column 1 of my range, I want it to return the score. Whatever my first column was, B in this case, that's column 1. So score is column 2. So I just write the 2 there. The last argument, super easy. Just write false. It just tells the computer I want it to be exact. Once I press enter, you can see it brought over Abby's score. Now I need to do this for every single student. Click this little blue square and drag my formula down. In the next video, we'll look about adding more questions, as well as how do I get rid of this error.